Hi everyone, my name is Aina and today I'm going to show you how I cook bobotie. It's a very simple and easy recipe that I learned from my mom when we lived in Johannesburg. Just a disclaimer, I'm a lazy cook and I'm horrible at cooking, but this recipe is probably the only thing that I can decently make. So if you're like me, you can watch this video if you feel like making some good South African food. To start, I'm going to show you the ingredients list here, and you can pause the video or screenshot it if you need to. The original recipe calls for chutney, but I can't find any of it in my area, so I'm using sriracha instead to give it a little kick. The first step is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is preheating, take any sort of baking dish and lightly grease it. I use one of those baking sprays because it's easier for me, but you can also wipe any kind of oil with a kitchen towel. Next is cooking the ingredients on the stove. Put the heat on medium-high and add oil of your choice. I like to use olive oil because I've been told it's healthier, so I'm going along with it. When it's hot enough, add the onions and cook until they're soft. Once the onions are soft, break the ground beef in the skillet and cook until it's brown. While the beef is cooking, get a large bowl and add milk. Soak your breads in the milk and squeeze the excess. Make sure you keep the milk that's in the bowl because you're gonna need it for later. Add the bread to your beef mixture and stir in the raisins, apricot jam, sriracha sauce, curry powder, salt, and black pepper. This is the step where you can tweak the amount of ingredients to your liking. So you gotta keep tasting the mixture until it's where you want it to taste. When it looks like it's done cooking and you're satisfied with the taste, pour the mixture into your greased baking dish. Next, you're gonna bake the dish in your preheated oven for an hour. While the bobotie is baking, whisk the milk you saved earlier with egg and a pinch of salt. After 1 hour, take out the dish and pour the milk and egg mixture on top of it. Next, place the bay leaf on top of the mixture. Put the bobotie back into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After that, you're done, but make sure to remove the bay leaf before eating. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this cooking video as much as I liked making it. Please stay safe and happy Ramadan.
What are you doing? Let me go!